to show you the 2014 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, trip odometer. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Come see the car for yourself.